Simplifies cable routing and installation. Improves airflow within CPU. RoHS Compliance. Connector type: SATA cable. 10-inch SATA cable with locking latch, UV red, SATA-lll, 6. 0 gigabits per second. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality. Good value. Would buy again. I wanted a 10-inch cable so I could avoid the extra airflow obstruction caused by a longer cable. Not many suppliers sell this size, so I was happy to see it on Amazon. It worked just fine out of the box from my SSD to my MOBO. Locks tightly. Good quality. Good value. Would buy again.